Atlantiques Gallery brings to you a professionally restored and framed artwork, Last Supper. Antwerp School, circa 1700 to 1750, oil on panel, 1690 to 1730. Intimate staging, cabinet scale, and dramatic sacred narrative. See more at atlantiques.co.uk. Its appeal is devotional and dramatic, with the subject giving the work emotional gravity and a clear art historical identity. Look closely at the full composition, then at the details: devotional subject, historic composition, documented presentation. These are the qualities that give the painting its wall presence and collector appeal. The catalogue notes strengthen the story of the piece, connecting its composition, subject and visual language with related works and the tradition behind it. Its restoration adds to the sense of care around the object, bringing the surface, color, and presentation into a condition that invites confident inspection. The framed presentation matters. Oil on panel is offered as a complete object, with condition, frame, and visual presence all contributing to its appeal. For a collector, this is an opportunity to acquire a visually strong, professionally presented artwork with character, documentation, and a clear route to inquiry. Visit atlantiques.co.uk, review the artwork page, and contact Atlantiques Gallery to request information or make an offer.